What's up guys and welcome to Atami. So today we are here to discuss about the newly launched A12 Superfast. What makes the A12 Superfast? So basically it's a 6.5 liter V12 naturally aspirated engine and 800 horses that it generates from its 6.5 liter V12. So basically let's discuss about the A12 today. The A12 Superfast is the successor of the F12 Berlinetta and its hardcore variant F12 TDF. Coming next, when I saw this car in showroom, it looks absolutely stunning and aggressive in flesh. As you can see, the A12 Superfast sports the first electronic power steering in Ferrari and also features the virtual short wheelbase 2.0. What I particularly liked about the A12 Superfast is the LED headlamp, and also it has set of slits above the headlamps which helps in cooling the engine. A12 also follows the typical GT philosophy of Ferrari, such as long bonnet, the rear cabin and short and stubby boot. The car also sports 20-inch rims front and rear with Pirelli P0s. Coming to the rear section of car, it houses quad tail lamps and quad exhaust pipes and also the rear vented diffuser. Coming to the interiors of the car sports all new steering wheel like GTC4 Lusso and also updated LEDs on the steering wheel. Also the car's design was taken from F12 Berlinetta and LaFerrari, seeing the AC vents and the counter on the dashboard. Also this particular car has standard seats with red headrest stitching and also the red seat belts. Coming to the engine section of the car houses a 6.5 liter V12 naturally aspirated, which makes about 789 brake horsepower and also 780 Newton meter of torque. Also this car has a speed of more than 340 km per hour. So that's it guys, this was all about the A12 Superfast, and these are some extras of Ferrari showroom here in Mumbai. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also do like, share and comment down your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you again in the next video.